So I bought me a hammock stand, guys, and it is awesome. This is me getting in it. It says that it holds up to 440 pounds, and I'm nowhere near 440 pounds, as you guys can see. So the goal is for me to relax, find peace and tranquility on my patio, balcony, or whatever you want to call it. I will take a lot of naps. I will read books, get on the internet, listen to music, all on my new hammock stand and my old hammock that I got from Colombia. Thanks to Serenity Health and Home Decor, I found this awesome hammock stand on Amazon. I have provided the link to this hammock stand in the description below. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.